Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the sound used in TikTok story. So you'll need to go first of all open your TikTok. If you don't have TikTok yet, make sure to go and download it. So as an example, we will need to look for someone that has a story, of course, then we'll be able to see how to find the sound. So normally, as example on any video, to find like the sound, you can go to the bottom right corner, and if you click on it, as you can see, you'll be able to find here the sound of it. But for us, we would like, of course, to find the sound of a story. So as an example here, I found like a person that has a story on. I can just go and click on that, and as you can see, I'll find myself okay with a story in here. But as you can see, he doesn't have any sound in the story. If he does have a sound instead, so I'll have to look for someone that has a sound in the story. But normally, how to find it, of course, you'll find it below their username. Below, if they're using any sound, you'll find it there. Of course, if you still want to take it further, there are a lot of apps that can help you do so. So there is like an app called Shazam. This can help you, as an example, get any sound that you want. So, as an example here, to find it. So you can just go and open it as an example and let it listen as example. Now you can go back as example to your TikTok and just play this sound as example that is in the story, and this Shazam app will find it. And if it's find it, of course, you should find it there in the library saved here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.